Hey tubies, what's up? It's Victoria. Figured I'd show you what it looks like outside. Woo! Snow in Canada. Well, that's not really that surprising, but what is surprising is not even 20 minutes ago it was nice, bright, and sunny outside, and there was no snow on the ground. Yeah, so I got out of work and I was like, I am gonna go to the mall and I'm gonna buy some food. So I did, and I was in the mall long enough to walk in, go to the food court, and get some food. Sorry, I had to put my seatbelt on there. Yeah, so I go into the food court. Nice sunny out, get my food, wait for my food, and walk outside, and it's dark and miserable. Yay! Comment below if you like snow. Comment above. Well, I guess not comment above. Subscribe if you like me. Alright? Okay, I'll give you another shot of this because it's pretty bad. Ready?